At night, that's a Rivian that went by. At night, you want to make sure you have good headlights that you can see clearly. You want to make sure you have good windshield wiper blades. These blades have been on about a year. I might need some fresh blades. There is Rain X on this window, so I'm going to show you. See the water? It just kind of shears off. This has Rain X, but then it's kind of cloudy, so I got to put some heat on this, and I just did. Then you should, the window's still wet, but then it's starting to clear up again. But this has a lot of glare, so sometimes I don't like Rain X, but now you can see a little better. I don't like Rain X for that one reason. That's an additive that you can use. Then there's a street coming up. You won't be able to see it, but we're going to be making a left turn. So I'm going to turn on my blinker about now, 100 feet, a half a block. And there is a middle turn lane for left turns only. And I'm setting my car up and I'm going to wait for cars. And then here's my gap. I look where I'm going. And look at this house. This house, isn't this so nice? Okay, this person is like a designer or something. Look at this. Isn't this nice? This is so nice. So nice. Wow. I need to have them work on some designs for my house. And then we're gonna make a left turn, and then we take you into the neighborhood. So now this is like your cool down, right? And now the windshield is clear again. So you see how lights can really affect our vision. But this car is older and we don't see, this is high beams, low beams, high beams, so we can keep the highs on. Now you can see more, but on the street, this would not be legal. And I use these neighborhood drives, long curvy road drives for like a cool down. And then I would usually have you drive yourself home. I can't have everyone drive home, but a lot of people try to take my kindness for weakness, and we're not trying to do that. So I'm gonna come up to the edge. Thank you for the thumbs up. That means a lot. Thank you so much. And then I'm gonna come over and I'm gonna, oh, you see the person running? You should be able to. And I'm gonna come up and stop. And you should see the person running, okay? See them? And then I'm gonna come up to my right turn. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. There's that turn out. That was a good turn. So you want to prepare yourself for the opportunities that you have ahead. You want to definitely improve and get better. And you got to have a positive coach who's really going to help you grow and help you shine. Got 7 thumbs up. Thank you. That really means a lot. I have to get over to the right because I want to let this car by, and I'm just going to wait. So I want you to understand how this works. The road is too small for both cars to go by. I'm just going to pull over to the right, cut off my brakes, let them go by. And then I'm going to get back to the middle. And that's how it works. There's a lot of roads in the United States are not always big. Some roads, particularly UK, are very narrow and small. Guys and ladies, I'm going to pull over here and give you some positivity. Thank you for the, oh yeah, thank you. Okay, let's put this one in park. Let's turn on this light a second. All right, guys, it's not the greatest. Nope, you really can't even see me. But I just want to say thank you all for just the love, the support. I really enjoy doing these driver's education blogs, teaching people how to drive, showing you some of the routes, some of the dangers, some of the things you should be looking for. So when you get into the car, you're not as nervous. Now, there's a link in my bio